Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable Express Transit with Apple Pay on iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. To enable or disable Express Transit with Apple Pay, you'll need to go to the wallet, but before I do that, maybe let's explain what it means. Express Transit lets you pay for public transportation without confirming with double click on the side button and Face ID or passcode. So just tap it to the correct reader, to the card reader, and it'll just pay for the transit without you needing to really confirm it. And now it only works in public transportation, so don't worry. In stores, you'll still need to confirm by double clicking on the side button, right? Just public transportation will work that way. And I think it's the easiest to go actually to the settings on the phone, then go to Wallet and Apple Pay. And now Apple Pay defaults. Sorry, not really here. No, in Wallet and Apple Pay, you'll actually need to scroll down to Express Transit card, then select the payment card that you'd like to use for Express Transit. Okay, I don't have my Face ID here. Yeah, and that's about it. It tells you everything here, so you can just hold it to near a reader to pay your fare without double clicking or unlocking your iPhone. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.